Small steps spark incredible change. Every journey begins with a single intentional stride. When setting realistic fitness goals, start small. Picture yourself working out for just 20 minutes 3 times a week. Those early efforts build confidence and slowly pave the path to long-term success. Often, common doubts and fitness challenges hold us back, but by breaking your larger goals into manageable targets, you empower yourself to overcome obstacles. Consider your workout schedule an unmissable appointment, a promise you keep with yourself. Consistency turns uncertainty into a habit and fuels determination. Embrace activities you truly enjoy. Whether it's dancing, swimming, or cycling, find exercises that stir your spirit and make every session a delight. Invite a friend or join a group class. Shared energy transforms tedious routines into moments of genuine connection. Use a fitness app or journal to track your progress, celebrating every small victory. Each recorded step is proof of your growing strength and commitment. There will be setbacks, but remind yourself to be kind. Mix up routines with strength training, cardio, yoga, or Pilates to keep the spark alive and stave off boredom. Reward milestones with a treat, perhaps a new workout outfit or a relaxing massage. Focusing on improved mood, energy, and overall well-being enriches your journey. Envision a healthier lifestyle powered by achievable steps and steadfast resolve. Today, take the first step toward a more fulfilling path. Let each small win become the foundation of your future success. Embrace every tiny triumph and ignite the lasting power of change. Start today and transform your life. Believe in your unstoppable potential.